Garmin's new Navionics Plus charts bring some new changes to our charting options, including daily chart updates. Today, we will purchase and download these charts. The process for purchasing and using your charts will be similar to the Garmin G3 charts, but there are a few differences. Let's walk through the new process. First, make sure you have the ActiveCaptain app downloaded and installed to your compatible mobile device. For this video, we will be using an Apple iPad. Follow the link on screen or in the description for assistance with downloading and installing ActiveCaptain. Now, open the ActiveCaptain app. Navigate to the Chart tab. Select the menu button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, select My Charts. From here, you will see any charts that you already own. If you already own a chart, select Add a Subscription at the bottom of the screen. If you do not already own any charts, select Shop for Charts to search for a chart. Select Find More in the upper right-hand corner if you need to search for a chart in a location you aren't currently located. You will then be taken to a map where you can search an area to search for mapping. This will find charts in the coverage area. Press the View Available Charts button at the top of the map. Find the chart you are looking for in the list and select it. Then, read the disclaimer and press Subscribe now. Review the terms. Then, press I agree. Select Subscribe. Then, select OK. Once the purchase process has been completed, you will be taken back to the My Charts page. Repeat the steps if you need to purchase additional charts. There are two ways to download your chart. First, press the three dots in the upper right-hand corner on your My Charts page. Then, select Download. The other way to start downloading your charts is from the Chart tab. Press the menu button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, select Download Charts. Using either method, look for the area you want to download on the Download Charts page. Now, use the corners of the selection box to determine what area to download. Press Download once you have picked your desired area's charts. The download process will begin. You can now use your downloaded chart on your mobile device. Your chart can now be transferred and used on your chart plotter. Follow the link on screen or in the description for help setting up ActiveCaptain on your chart plotter and connecting your mobile device. Now that you have set up and connected your ActiveCaptain app with your chart plotter, the chart will automatically transfer the next time you connect. Follow the link on screen or in the description for help with transferring the chart to your chart plotter. And that's it. For more help, visit marinesupport.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.